It's Women's Month and it's all about you. Strut your stuff with style and a little help with these super trendy deals. Update your status to connected with the Nokia Asher 302 for just 89 Rand per month on MTN Anytime 100 top-up. And for the girls who want to make a bold statement, get your chat on with the BlackBerry Bold 9790 for just 329 per month on MTN Anytime 200 including Biz, so you can share that BBM pin and catch up with your girls. How about a Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1 for a lady on the move and the groove? It's only 369 per month on an MTN 2GB internet package. Plus you get a Bluetooth keyboard. Then join MTN Zone on MTN Top Up because you know nothing beats Mahala. We're connecting the divas, fashionistas, socialites and Miss Things with hot deals this Women's Month. Available at MTN stores nationwide.